Hello, good morning to all. Dear friends, today we are going to see the next point in agricultural regionalization. In the previous topic, we have seen how Thomas has calculated the agricultural crop combination. Today, we have to see agricultural efficiency, which is put forth by Kendall, and this method is called as Kendall's ranking coefficient. So, let us see Kendall's ranking coefficient. First of all, see what exactly agricultural efficiency means. Agricultural efficiency is the level of agricultural productivity involves the measurement of production and inputs required for production of that output, which is known as agricultural efficiency. In short, it is the input output ratio. As we know that there are many expenses in the field of agriculture, and after the expenses, whatever the farmers has produced, he sell it into the market, and whatever the benefit or whatever the cost he will get to that product, that is output. So agricultural efficiency is directly depend on the cost or the benefit of the product. That's why agriculture efficiency is nothing but the input output ratio. So let us see how agriculture efficiency is calculated using this method. Agriculture efficiency using Kendall's ranking coefficient, that is here is the formula for solving the same. NO is equal to TP into MP minus POE. Okay, so what is the explanation of this formula is here. NO is the net profit, whatever the farmer sell it into the market, whatever the profit he will get, that is NO. TP is the total production, how much production he has produced, that is TP. MP is the market price in the sense, suppose uh, one any product he has sell into the market, and what price he has obtained for that particular product, that is market price. PO is input expenditure cost. Input expenditure cost means whatever he has produced, uh, what expenses he has did for the same, as like a manual cost, transport cost, labor cost, pesticide cost, or the seed cost, or whatever, electricity cost. So all these things include into the input expenditure cost. So let us see how we can calculate the agriculture efficiency using this formula. Kendall also formulated index values for the demarcation or for the identification of the efficiency, particularly agricultural efficiency. If the range is less than 5000, that is called as very low agricultural efficiency. If the range is in between 5000 to 9000, that is low efficiency. If the range is 9000 to 12000, that is medium efficiency. If the range is 12,000 to 15,000, that is high efficiency. And if the range is more than 15,000, that is very high agricultural efficiency. So let us see how we can calculate agriculture efficiency. For our understanding, I have put one example over here, and using this data, we have to calculate the agricultural efficiency. There are various crops as like jowar, bajra, wheat, pulses, sugarcane, onion, vegetables, and others. Production in tons are over here, and that is shown over here. At the same time, what prices, market prices they has obtained according to the market value, that is also shown over here. At the same time, whatever the expenses occurred during the production, that production cost is also over here, given over here, and that is net output. This column is actually calculated column, but we have to see how it can be calculated. So next is we have directly used this formula NO is equal to TP into MP minus POE, net output for Jower. So Jower, what is the TP transport? TP is the as I have already explained, TP is the total production, how much Jower has been produced, that 24 into 500 minus 9682 is equal to, if we calculate these values, then we got 2380. And if we compare this with this value with the range, that is very low. Next is again output of bajra crop, 8.5, that is TP, 452, that is MP, and 3920, that is POE. This, if we calculate these values, then we get minus 78, which is very low. Okay, according to this or using same formula, we can calculate all the net output values for each crop. Net output for wheat crop is 66,612.5, that is low. For pulses 2050, very low. For sugarcane to 53,405, very high. 27,010 for onion, that is very high. For vegetable 10,000, 1,05,900, this is very high. And the last crop, that is other crop, 52,555, which is very high. So this is very simple and easy technique so far agricultural efficiency is concerned, and using this formula we can calculate or we can measure the any uh, we can calculate or measure the efficiency of any field, agriculture efficiency of any field in of any region. Okay, if we interpret this calculation, then we come to know Jowar, Bajra and pulses having very low index value. Here it is given Jowar, Bajra and pulses having very low index value. Wheat having low index value. Here net output of Bajra is negative, as I have already shown in this calculation, minus 78, that is negative. And here we can say that expenditure for bajra is more than output, so this crop is not suitable for cultivation. We can we can do the some assumption with the help of this calculation, because if expenses is more than the production, then that crop is not suitable for that particular region. So here in this example, bajra crop is not suitable because output is less than the expenditure, so this crop is not suitable for cultivation. On the other hand, net output of sugarcane, onion, vegetable and other crop is high. It is because of high market price and low input expenditure cost. So these crops have very good agricultural efficiency in terms of money. As we know that these things are completely depend on various factors, but if we have a data of production, and if we have a data of market price of that particular production, then we can calculate agricultural efficiency for each and every crop. So sugarcane, onion and vegetable other crops have high agricultural efficiency because their market prices are more and there is low expenses for the production of these crops. So these crops are very good agricultural efficiency in terms of money, and these are suitable even. So this is all about the Kendall's agricultural efficiency. Today we stop here. Thank you. Thank you very much.